Well, I guess the mission of the Native Nations Center would be to develop a deeper, reciprocal, collaborative relationship between the University of Oklahoma and Native nations, and to elevate the relationships that do exist, to a kind of level of respecting the sovereignty of Native nations, a government-to-government kind of relationship between OU and the Native nations with that level of respect.
Oklahoma is uniquely set geographically, so as far as being the area where we have the 39 federally recognized tribes, we work and try to engage all tribal communities from both recognized and non-recognized, both here in Oklahoma but also nationally and internationally. So that is just where the geographic setting is. We are the community, the heart. We have so many tribal leaders, tribal members that want to engage with scholarship and want to engage with things here at the university. And so our job through Native Nation Center is to try to fill those gaps and build those relationships and connect people so that Natives or Indigenous people are not just subjects, but they become, center focused of the research, and they can lead things, they can partner according to their needs in an ethical, productive way.
One of the things that we provide for faculty in particular is kind of advising and mentorship in their efforts to engage in Native research. Research with Native nations, historical research, whatever it is, we're there to help them, even if it's simply just being someone to talk to help them develop relationships, help them develop an understanding of how to engage in a respectful way in this kind of research. Even sort of putting together, research areas from people that express an interest and areas that come up in our conversations with Native nations, put those sort of, those people together to be able to collaboratively produce that research. It's very important for OU to invest in this. I mean, there's a long history, as we know, of oftentimes not even acknowledging that context, right? Not really even talking about Native nations in terms of the University of Oklahoma, in terms of Oklahoma, right? So the change is kind of recent, in the history of the university to begin to take seriously its place, right? That where we are is not just any state, right? Where we are is in the midst of what used to be called Indian Territory, the state of Sequoia. This really significant history, very problematic, oftentimes between the state and Native nations, but something that if we acknowledge those things and think about those things, what has happened before, we can create a kind of framework for moving forward, sort of weaving a future together that is mutually beneficial. And so being able to take seriously where we're at and the possibilities that are there can only benefit OU moving forward in the future.